So here we are with the brand new Maserati MC20. MC stands for Maserati Corsa, 20 for the year 2020. Not only is this car the beginning of a new era for Maserati, but also a strong departure in our design philosophy for Maserati going forward. One of my favorite elements on the Maserati MC20 are the very dramatic doors that open in supercar-worthy butterfly style. But besides the dramatic look it offers, there's really mostly a functional reason we opted for this choice. And that is the ease of ingress and egress with this wide opening, and also to allow the customer to truly enjoy the beauty of the engineering part of this car, the carbon fiber top. Once you're in the interior of the Maserati MC20, you will see that this is all about keeping your eyes on the road, all about avoiding distraction, but also all about absolute cabin space and comfort. This car is racetrack ready, but at the same time will give you the space and the comfort and the amenities and the technology to go the long distance travel. You will see very pure shapes, very pure form. You'll see that the center console is moved very low, very much out of the way, only housing the most important features, which is the drive mode selector, which is the selector to change between manual and drive, and the park, of course. Everything else is remaining very, very pure, and you can operate the rest of the car all from your fingertips and the steering wheel with all the controls, and of course the Maserati iconic pedal shifters. A very cool technology part of the car is what you see here, an additional rear view camera, which in addition to the normal rear view camera that you already know from your car, provides an image to the rear view mirror. So even though you're sitting in a mid-engine car, you will always have a very unobstructed view of what is behind you. And another very cool feature is this abstract trident that we use to cool the engine compartment of excessive heat, giving the car a very iconic and very characterful detail. Every project starts with a package. Every project starts with what we call the Y0 line. The Y0 line is what defines the silhouette. It's the center line of the car. It defines the shape of the cockpit. It defines the approach of the engine compartment. And for a car like the MC20, most importantly, it also defines the aerodynamic characteristics. And because we were able to create the perfect Y0 line for the MC20, we are able to avoid any additional need for a spoiler, which again helps us with our design philosophy of remaining pure and timeless and avoiding any unnecessary distraction.